In 1986, I walked through the sliding glass door out onto the old deck. I bought the house just because of the deck. It was all redwood. Just the warmth of the redwood, just the color, the natural look, the grain, and looked at the view, and it sold me. My old deck lasted for about 35 years, and it was time to build a new deck. I was excited to build a brand new redwood deck. I've been working with wood all my life, and the old deck was built in 1985, and it was all heart redwood. I chose redwood because it's American made. After watching my deck weather for 35 years, I realized it had good strength, durability, whether we refinished it or just let it turn gray. Redwood is a much better alternative than composites. It's not as hot on your feet. It weathers a lot better, lasts a lot longer, and you can renew it and refurbish it. I knew redwood was going to be the choice, but the tricky part was finding the correct redwood. So J&W Redwood offered me a better product through Humboldt Sawmill Company called Allheart, and I love it. I didn't consider any other options for using Allheart Redwood. It's a big extension to the house. Most of the time, we're outside here on the deck, just coming out here and relaxing instead of in the house. A year from now, I see myself barbecuing out here, enjoying sunsets, and just taking it easy. I'd absolutely choose redwood again.